Hi, this is Amin. In this video, I'm going to share you awesome Google Ad case study. This is my client website. This is a e-commerce site. So here you can see there has a multiple product. So I have advertised a lots of about this website. There has a multiple product, and this is a Shopify e-commerce site. So here you can see there is some product and there has some also reviews. So I have run Google ad campaign, search ad campaign, shopping ad campaign, multiple ad campaign, and I have generated lots of conversions. So I'm going to share this data with you. So first of all, I'm going to my Google Ads account. After going to my Google Ads account, here you can see I have totally spent is only 257k, and here you can see our conversion is almost 30,000 almost, and we got traffic almost 403k, almost 403k. So you understand there has a lots of traffic. So if you check cost per conversion, conversion is 7.10. There has a multiple campaign, mainly shopping ad campaign and search ad campaign work is very good. So I'm going to give you some data here. If you I'm checking the conversion, then here you can see we will show the micro conversion. Here you can see there has a lots of data. Almost we got conversion almost is a huge number. Here you can see and add to cart is a lots of number. So now I'm going to show another data with you. Here you can see our total CPC. So I will check average CPC. Average CPC is 0.4 cent. That means I'm getting traffic. Per traffic cost is 0.7 c. It is a Canadian company, so this is a Canadian dollar, and so average CPC is 0.07. If you check cost per conversion, so cost per conversion is 8.55 US dollar. Here you can see there has a lots of product. If we check this product, how much this is on, we sells every product almost spending 9 US dollar. This is a 8.5 Canadian dollar. So I think this is profitable. So here if you check the ROI's value, so here you can see that our average ROIs is not set up still, because we do not use this one. And here you can see our total conversion value. For total conversion value is a lots of almost 2.5 million US Canadian dollars. So we have generated a spending to 257k, and we have this is Amin. Amin is a top rated digital marketing specialist on Fiverr and also top rated in Upwork. If you need any help, let me contact. My contact information is video link description. Please check and let me contact now. Generated 2.5 million sales. So here you can see the 2.5 million sale I have generated. So hopefully this case study helpful for you. So if you spend more, then you will get return, and also you will get a revenue also. So if you need any help on Google Ads, please let me contact us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here I will share various type of case study, tips, tricks, etc.